Okay, so I was actually given this idea to do a really funny video, and of course I'm all about making videos like this that are just joking around. And basically, it's trolling Hypebeast Instagram resellers. So basically, if you're a reseller on Instagram, my objective right here with this video is to troll you by basically offering super low prices, like ridiculously low prices, and then waiting for a reply. And then, you know, if there's an argument, that's what we started, then that's just what's gonna happen. So I went with the super clever username and amazing disguise of Supreme God 94124. Just feel like it really fits the vibe. And of course, you know, Hypebeast reseller, always stacking paper 365 on my day grind, reselling since spring summer 18 week 1, 100% legit bio, always cooking 24/7, and of course we got the icook.com there. So clearly I have the Hypebeast reseller mentality with this page that I've made. And of course with the page, you gotta make sure you have all the right items on it to show you're 100% legit. So we got the Brick Easy 500s, Supreme tennis balls, and the Supreme speaker that's going for $100 under retail. Now, of course, I picked out 7 pages I'm gonna be following, and I'm gonna troll every single one of them, and hopefully I get a reply from each. Basically, just like they have set prices on each item, and they're like, don't go lower, all this. So basically, I'm gonna go lower on the items and get the reactions from them. Okay, so the first page I thought I would start with is this page. Now, they're doing a giveaway. Now, as the genius new reseller that I am, I thought, well, you know, right here it says free giveaway. Winner will be chosen at 1.5K. So, you know, let me think. Oh, I got one. How can I purchase this item? And then, is the giveaway free? But I just don't feel like that's enough yet, you know, like asking, even if the questions are that dumb, I don't feel like that's enough yet. So right here, he has a pair of Yeezy Zero Blue tints that have sold. So why don't I ask, are they sold yet? Honestly, I think that should do it. That should be enough to get a reply at least. Okay, so I was about to go fall asleep again, but I got a reply already from the same guy where I asked if the giveaway's free. So I got the DM, here it is. Giveaway obviously says it's free. So as the genius I am, I'm gonna say, no, it doesn't. Giveaway, I don't see it. It doesn't say it's free. What are you talking about, bro? I make the community look amazing when I make videos like this. Okay, so I got another reply, and it says free giveaway on the post. You know, I think I'm just gonna close it out easy. Your mom gay. Okay, so he actually asked me if he could buy my tennis balls. Now, as you know, this is a fake page. So no, I don't have any tennis balls to sell. Okay, so before I even get into this next one and start lowballing, this guy has 76 Mona Lisa tees. This is. I also noticed that he replies to pretty much every single comment he gets, so this should be good. So Mona Lisa tee, 130 a piece according to this. So why don't I go ahead and offer 70. 70 for Mona Lisa, please. I love just trolling a good plug, don't ya? Oh, he replied. Oh, hold up, he sent me a DM. Send photo of speaker. Okay, I'll send him a photo of the speaker. There we are. I think I got a pretty expected reply. I don't know why, it's just giveaways are the easiest to like just completely mess with someone. I don't know why. But right here, we have another giveaway. So I think I'm gonna ask, so here, let's start with this. Is the giveaway free? Also, I like your avatar. Is it Jay-Z? Oh, and by the way, for somebody that may not know, I assume pretty much most of you would know, but the avatar, or not the avatar, the icon, I just call it avatar as a joke, but basically it is clearly Gucci Mane, but you get it. He deleted my Jay-Z comment, but he did tell me to tag 3 friends, but I'm gonna tag myself 3 times because I have no friends. And I'm successful to say that as a screen, you can tell I have no activity notifications, not because I deleted them, but because he blocked me. So we got our first block of the day, boys. Just for a bit more proof, since some of you probably are questioning. The page isn't available. I think this calls for a bit more of a celebration. Hold up. Yo, what's happening, folks? Got my Cheez-Its. We're gonna celebrate this. To be honest though, like nobody's necessarily mean. Like we've been through this video, nobody's been mean. Like it's just been me joking around for a few minutes. There hasn't been anything that I've really been like, oh, that's unexpected. Like everything I've sort of expected. Like getting that block, I was completely expecting. I was being annoyed. Honestly, I think if I want you guys to enjoy this video a lot more, I'm gonna have to be a bit more mean, which I don't really like doing. Well, I don't necessarily have to be mean. Like here, I'm just gonna go on this page. Why don't we type like he's selling some Yeezys here. If I want to get in some of his nerves really bad, here's all I gotta type. You have fake Yeezys. And I am ready for the argument. I'm really hoping for like a paragraph long response. If this takes a while, I have no problem with it, as long as it's just good. Oh, by the way, we got a reply. For show, you would know of all people, Mr. Supreme God. You know what, I'm just gonna, you know, sort of take it like a compliment and, you know what to say. Yeah, I know I'm right. They are super fake. Just look, dummy. Pow. using some strong language. Watch out for the dummy word. This next one is literally perfect. It's the CDG box logo. And I already know what to comment on this, so here we go. We're just gonna comment, fake box logo. I'll take it for 30. Should get an interesting reply. Also, I mean, I'm never really gonna check this page again. If you wanna follow it, my Supreme God 94124, you can go follow it. Again, I'll probably log out of it and forget the password, but if you want to, go ahead. All right, so I got a reply. I think I just got cooked though. Flase, I think he meant false, but go back to selling your tennis balls. Damn. I actually now have to reply to that. Actually, hold on, before I even reply, people are taking this like it's a legit thing. Like, look, some people are commenting with like really low ball prices as like a response back to like my joke because they think it's serious. So look, on the speaker 45, on the tennis balls 1535, on the Yeezy 500s at 123. Like, people are taking this serious. I think I'm just gonna reply to all those comments saying yes, and then I'll go back to replying to the other one. I'm gonna say the most hypocritical thing, replying to this comment right here. I said 123, I'm gonna say, no, why would you lowball me? I think I'm about to say the most like new to Supreme thing ever. I mean, it could be controversial, but basically we're just gonna reply to this by saying, no, it is fake. It's not a red BOGO. I mean, that pretty much proves it. Okay, so this next one's actually about to be pretty good, I think. So basically, this guy has 2 box logos from Fall Winter 17. And I already have a reply to this. You know, I already have sort of a thing I'm gonna go with, because, you know, with box logos, when you call them fake, people get real touchy with it. So, you know, I'm just about to comment real easy. Both your BOGOs are fake. SMH the market nowadays. This is gonna get a good reply, I'm hoping. Okay, so I was about to read out, he sent me a whole paragraph, like a really aggressive reply, like the only thing that's a joke, get off my page, you're disturbing my customers. I didn't really read how many followers he had, and then he went private. But then after he went private, which now I can't tell if he's private anymore or not. I assume he's probably not, because I'm now officially blocked again. So that's 2 blocks in one day, and we also got in someone's nerves, which, I mean, you know, that's the whole concept of this video, is to troll people. And you know, it's the second time I've been blocked. Would not be shocked at all if my account got banned. But to try and sum it up a bit more, it was like the whole thing about your thing is a joke, I don't sell fakes, and it's like a really aggressive like paragraph. Okay, so this next one, this guy's actually selling the Supreme Rocks tee from the last week for a really good deal for $100, which is actually solid, because I know it goes for around like 130 if I'm correct. I haven't really updated on like the whole market right now, but basically, I'm thinking about calling it fake and then lowballing. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna say, this is a fake tee. I'll take it for 50 though. Oh, and by the way, sorry if it seems like I'm rushing. You know, sun's going down. I'm getting tired. And of course, I'm trying to stay happy and positive if I'm tired. It's just, you know, when I get tired, I just want my sleep. Hopefully, you know, that's most people. Okay, so I actually got a reply right here. I'm gonna read it out really quick. So he said, LMAO, what are you on? And, you know, I think I'm just simply gonna reply to that with, I'm on my searching. Beware buyers. All right, so I was about to close out the video, but guess what? The moment that I was about to close out the video, I finally got exposed on someone's story. So shout out to whoever did that. You know, I did what I was out there to do. I was out there to the troll, and I got exposed to someone's story. Anyways, though, I think I'm gonna end it off here because I'm tired. And, you know, honestly, the video was hopefully funny. That's what I'm trying to go for in this video. And hopefully something different you guys have seen. It was a really good suggestion I got, and I just wanted to do it right off the bat. And yeah, I just really hope you guys did enjoy. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. You can drop a like in this video too if you want. Let me know if there's any improvements for, like, if you want me to continue doing this as like a series, especially if this does well. I would love to continue doing this, so be sure guys drop a like so I know that you guys enjoyed it. Or if you don't drop a like, that's fine. That'll tell me that I need to improve something, and I will definitely be working on that, and you guys can leave that down below in the comments. But yeah, I just want to say thank you all for watching, and yeah, seems like resellers are pretty chill nowadays. Oh, and peace out.